Before you buy a Shockwave therapy machine, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most cheap ones claim to treat everything, but barely deliver real therapeutic pressure. People keep buying them thinking they're getting clinic-level relief at home, only to end up disappointed. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you which budget options actually work.
Product number 1, EKVLI Portable Shockwave Massager. The EKVLI Portable Shockwave Therapy Machine. At $185.75, it's one of the most affordable options out there, and honestly, it caught my eye because it claims to treat everything from plantar fasciitis to golf elbow with 7 different massage heads. If you want basic at-home pain relief without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses radial shockwave technology that targets deep tissue, think sore shoulders, achy knees, or tight calves, without surgery or drugs. The touch interface is simple, and it automatically shuts off if it overheats, which protects both the device and your skin during longer sessions. It's corded electric, so no worrying about battery life. And at 4 kilograms, it's heavy enough to stay put, but still portable for use around the house. Over 100 people bought this in the past month, which tells me there's real demand for an entry-level option like this. Now, some people might complain that it lacks precise pressure control or a clear display showing intensity levels. Here's the thing though. This isn't meant to replace a physical therapist machine. It's for someone dealing with mild to moderate muscle soreness who wants something stronger than a regular massager, but doesn't need clinical-grade power. The alloy steel build feels solid, and the variety of heads lets you switch between broad muscle groups and smaller joints. This is perfect for you if you're new to shockwave therapy, have occasional muscle pain, and want to try it at home before investing more. Skip this one if you need high-intensity treatment for chronic conditions or professional use. For under $200, it's a solid starting point. Just don't expect miracle results overnight.
Product number 2, Modoi ESWT03 Professional Grade Machine. If the Equilibri felt too basic for your needs, the Modoi ESWT03 takes a completely different approach. Priced at $1,299.99, this isn't just another home gadget, it's built like a mini clinic unit. What stood out immediately is its 10.1-inch touchscreen and the fact that it's FSA HSA eligible, meaning you might be able to buy it with pre-tax dollars if you have a health savings account. If you want professional-level performance at home without visiting a clinic every week, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It delivers up to 10 bar of pressure and adjusts from 1 to 21 hertz, so you can go from gentle warm-up pulses to deep tissue repair mode. That 2.76-inch penetration depth means it can reach stubborn knots in your shoulders, hips, or plantar fascia that cheaper machines just can't touch. The 7 interchangeable heads cover everything from small joints to large muscle areas, and the interface is so intuitive that even beginners can start using it right away. With 50 plus sold last month, it's clear people are willing to invest when they see real specs. Now, some people complain that it's heavy and bulky, around the size of a small suitcase, and they wished it came with wheels included. Here's the thing though, Modoi actually recommends their optional rolling cart for older users or those with limited strength, which shows they thought about real-world use. Yes, it's not something you'll toss in a backpack, but if you're treating chronic pain or recovering from injury, stability and power matter more than portability. This is perfect for you if you've tried cheaper options and still have persistent pain, or if you're a fitness enthusiast dealing with recurring injuries. Skip this one if you only need occasional relief or have very limited space. At this price, you're getting serious medical-grade tech, not a toy.
Product number 3, Modoi ESWT02 High-End Home Unit. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious home users. The Modoi ESWT02, priced at $1,599.98. Don't let the similar name fool you. This is the upgraded version with reinforced all-metal housing and slightly better durability for frequent use. If you want a machine that can handle daily therapy sessions without breaking down, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Like the ESWT03, it offers 10 bar pressure and 1 to 21 Hz frequency control. But it's engineered for long-term, high-frequency use. Think daily treatments for months on end. That makes it ideal if you're managing chronic conditions like Achilles tendonitis or trochanteric bursitis. The 10.1-inch touchscreen is responsive, and the one-touch start means no fiddling with settings mid-session. It also includes email technical support, which is rare at this price point. Now, some buyers mentioned that the weight, over 6 pounds for the main unit, makes it tiring to hold during long sessions. Here's the thing though, if you're doing deep tissue work on your back or thighs, you're probably not holding it for more than 10 to 15 minutes anyway. And again, Motorway suggests their rolling cart, which solves the mobility issue. This isn't a flaw, it's a trade-off for industrial-grade internals. This is perfect for you if you're serious about recovery, have ongoing musculoskeletal issues, or even run a small wellness practice from home. Skip this one if you only need occasional use or are on a tight budget. You're paying for longevity and consistency here, not just features.
Product number 4, NulaTool Whole Body Massager. If the Motorway models felt too clinical or expensive, let's swing back to affordability with the NulaTool Body Massager at $196.99. This one's interesting because it markets itself as a whole body solution with silicone construction and speed control, something most budget machines skip. If you want broad coverage for general muscle relaxation and light pain relief, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses radial shockwave tech to target large areas like your back, thighs, or waist, great after a long day or intense workout. The silicone material makes it easier to glide over curves without pinching skin, and the corded power ensures constant output. It's also lighter than the EKVili at just 6 pounds, so it's easier to maneuver. While it doesn't have the precision of higher-end models, it covers more surface area faster. Now, some users noted that it lacks clear intensity indicators. You adjust by feel rather than numbers. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for stress relief or mild soreness, exact pressure settings aren't critical. It's not meant for targeted therapy on small joints like elbows or feet. Think of it more like a high-tech foam roller with pulses. This is perfect for you if you want full body relaxation, deal with general stiffness, and don't need pinpoint accuracy. Skip this one if you have specific tendon or joint injuries requiring focused treatment. For under $200, it's a great value for casual users.
Product number 5, Shockwave ST100 Precision Therapy Device. If you want the sweet spot between pro performance and home usability, the Shockwave ST100 at $1,599.80 delivers. What sets it apart is its dual control system, a 7-inch touchscreen plus 2 physical knobs for real-time adjustments. That means you can tweak pressure mid-treatment without taking your hands off the gel or losing focus. If you want clinic-level precision with home convenience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It offers 1 to 8 bar pressure with 0.1 bar precision and 1 to 21 Hz frequency, letting you fine-tune intensity for sensitive areas like elbows or deep zones like hips. The 7000 series aluminum handpiece feels premium and transfers energy efficiently, no wasted pulses. Plus, it comes with a leather carrying strap and is FSA HSA eligible, making it both practical and tax smart. Now, some reviewers said the screen is smaller than Motorway's, which makes navigation slightly less intuitive. Here's the thing though, the physical knobs compensate for that by letting you adjust on the fly without tapping menus. It's actually better for hands-on treatment where every second counts. This is perfect for you if you value control, durability, and portability in one package. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute cheapest option or only need basic massage. You're getting serious engineering here, not just marketing hype.
So which one should you pick? If you're just starting out, the EKVili or NulaTool give you real shockwave benefits under $200. But if you've got chronic pain or want professional results at home, the Motorway ESWT02 or Shockwave ST100 are worth the investment, especially since both are FSA HSA eligible. The Motorway ESWT03 sits nicely in the middle for serious home users. Whatever you choose, make sure it matches your pain level, budget, and how often you'll actually use it.